They did it again. Tesla smashed its first quarter 2021 earnings expectations. Tesla had all-time high record production during the seasonably weakest quarter in the auto industry. And this feat is even more amazing when you consider that they did it by only selling 2 of the 4 cars that they offer. Tesla's 2 highest margin vehicles, the Model S and the Model X, were largely unavailable during this quarter because they currently are being refreshed. And on top of that, Tesla had to deal with the semiconductor supply chain issues that everybody else had to deal with this quarter as well. But instead of Tesla stock going to the moon, it's been sinking into the sea. What's going on? I mean, right after the conference call, I asked a friend, hey, I wonder what problems they're going to find with this quarter, because honestly, even though I wasn't surprised by anything, I really couldn't find anything wrong at all. Well, it turns out that the big problem the experts are having with Tesla's quarter is they just don't like the way Tesla has been making some of its money. Okay. Even though Tesla has been profitable for like 6 quarters in a row, the experts are like, Tesla really wouldn't be profitable if they didn't make their money from regulatory credits or Bitcoin. I mean, seriously, that can't go on forever. This shouldn't count. That's like cheating. They're cheating somehow. It's incredibly strange to me that this is controversial. Tesla did not make up these rules. The government set up this program to encourage polluting companies to try to become non-polluting companies. These credits are there for a reason, and Tesla deserves these credits. But the experts in the mainstream would have us not give Tesla credit for the money made in this program. It's like this money shouldn't count. This issue has been coming up for more than a year. So in this video, I am going to try to explain why Tesla would be profitable with or without regulatory credits or Bitcoin. But before we get to that, for this channel to become monetized, I still need 172 more subscribers. So if you enjoy my content, please ring that bell and hit that like button.
You can spend your money and keep it too.
Okay, let's get started with these regulatory credits. Every quarter, Tesla is profitable. And every quarter, the experts surmise that the only reason that Tesla is profitable is because of these regulatory EV credits. In their brilliance, these experts deduce that these credits are the only reason that Tesla is profitable. And since other auto companies are starting to make electric vehicles, then Tesla won't be able to receive these credits for very much longer, and then they won't be profitable at all. The thing about these credits is that auto companies owe them based on the number of internal combustion engine or ICE vehicles that they sell. And the more gasoline-powered cars that they sell, the more they owe. Toyota produced 8.8 million ICE cars in 2020, GM 6.8 million, and Ford 4.2 million ICE cars. I expect that these OEMs will have to pay for these credits for years. I know what you're thinking. Almost every auto company out there is making some kind of a plug-in hybrid, and they can get credits for those, can't they? But hybrids are not worth as many regulatory credits as a pure EV. Credits are not given out on the basis of how many battery electric vehicles that are sold. They are given out on the basis of the range of the electric vehicle that is sold. A long-range electric vehicle is worth 4 points, where a short-range electric vehicle, like my plug-in Prius, is only worth 1. And since every Tesla is considered to be a long-range EV, Tesla has a lot of credits to sell, and they will be selling them for years. In my opinion, the experts are being completely dishonest by selectively showing you only the numbers that make Tesla look unprofitable. Okay. Allow me to explain. I have represented Tesla's quarter with these wooden blocks. Now, the left stack of blocks represents Tesla's expenses or money out, and the right stack represents Tesla's income or money in. And when the left side is taller, then Tesla's losing money. But when the right side's taller, like it is right now, then Tesla is having a profitable quarter. This quarter, Tesla reported 93 cents per share for a total of $10.39 billion. Now, this was up 74% from the year before. This is what we call in the business blowing away the numbers. And Tesla reported a record-breaking net profit as well, which makes the profitable stack $438 million taller than the expenses. However, the experts are saying that this really isn't that good of news, because Tesla recorded $518 million revenue from regulatory credits. And they say that Tesla wouldn't have been profitable without them. And since these credits are temporary, then they shouldn't count, because if you take them away, then Tesla wouldn't be profitable. So this is what the experts would have us believe is the actual state of Tesla. Even though Tesla has been profitable for 6 quarters in a row now, they say that Tesla's profits are unsustainable and one-time in nature, and it's just a fluke that Tesla is profitable. The thing is, if you are going to remove the short-term profits on the plus side, in all fairness, you should really examine the one-time cost as well. For example, one expense that Tesla had this quarter is they had to pay Elon Musk $300 million. Good job, Elon. The way Elon Musk is paid is as Tesla achieves certain goals, Elon Musk is awarded shares of Tesla. This payment to Elon is based on achievement and is not very common. In fact, there are only around $700 million left to award Elon, and then they're done paying him. And Tesla also had a one-time expense of $200 million to refresh the Model S and X. So if you remove the $300 million to Elon and the $200 million for the Model S and X refresh, that's $500 million, and Tesla's profitable again. And these experts are also bent out of shape over Tesla's Bitcoin as well. Tesla sold 10% of its shares during the quarter to score $101 million of revenue. Personally, I think this was a brilliant move by Elon Musk, and it should be celebrated. But the experts are crying foul as Tesla takes some profits, as every good investor should. Amazingly, their argument seems to be that since you can't sell Bitcoin every single quarter, it's not sustainable, so you shouldn't be able to count them. Unfortunately, this is going to continue to happen, because there is a reason why Tesla seems to depend on regulatory credits every single quarter. Well, it's not so much a reason as it is a mission, because it has to do with Tesla's mission statement, which is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Elon Musk has said that the transition to sustainable energy is inevitable, but it matters that we transition quickly, because the faster that we transition to sustainable energy, the better off we will be. And it is expensive to grow quickly. And Tesla is growing as fast as it possibly can. Tesla can build a factory in 10 months when everybody else takes 4 years. And at this time, Tesla is building 2 factories a year. Soon they will be building 3. You can count the number of companies with a $700 billion market cap and a greater than 50% growth rate on one finger. No other big company is growing like this. When a company gets big, they tend to slow down, not speed up. Tesla has had a 50% growth rate since it went public in 2010. This year, Tesla grew at a rate of 74%. Each quarter, Tesla is as profitable as they want to be. If Tesla ever wants to be more profitable, all they have to do is just spend a little bit less. they could just decide to build out fewer superchargers per quarter, or they could build their factory in 14 months instead of 10, or they could raise the price of their vehicles. But Tesla won't do any of this. Elon Musk does not care if Wall Street approves of his business model. And whatever else he can utilize, he'll put every available dime into R&D and growth. And when these regulatory credits finally disappear, Tesla is still going to be profitable at about the same margin. Because it does not matter how much money Tesla makes. If they make more, they will spend more. If they make less, they will spend less. Either way, they will be left with about the same amount of money at the end of each quarter. Tesla will continue to spend money to maximize its growth rate and able to complete the company's mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Elon Musk has said that he tries to spend as much money as fast as possible without wasting it. Even with all this spending, Tesla has over $17 billion in cash. They'll have more cash than they have debt. They can afford to do anything they want. Tesla is not financially restrained. Tesla is doing everything possible to grow as fast as it can. Or, as Elon put it in a tweet, what really matters is time to volume production, not the initial market intro. Apart from brief moments, Tesla vehicle production is limited by total battery output. And as Tesla increases their battery production, there are less and less production restrained every day, which is why Tesla's growth rate is able to accelerate so much. It's time for some channel business. Last video, I was very wrong about something. When Elon Musk tweeted that he was going to the moon very soon, he wasn't talking about Tesla. SpaceX won a contract for $2.9 million from NASA to build a spaceship that will land astronauts on the moon for the first time in 5 decades. I've never been so happy to be wrong. In other news, Elon Musk is going to host Saturday Night Live on May 8th. There is a lot of buzz going around that the cryptocurrency Dogecoin is going to surge during the show. From what I understand, Dogecoin started as a joke in 2013, and I think it's the first coin in history to be driven higher by celebrity endorsements from the likes of Musk, Snoop Dogg, and Gene Simmons from Kiss. Let me be clear, I am not recommending Dogecoin. I am a novice in the cryptocurrency space, though I will be buying a very small position, probably $100 on Webull. I look at it this way, $100 is not going to break me, and if it goes higher, it's going to be a blast. Some things you just do for the fun. Real quickly, I'd like to go over why I'm so bullish on Tesla. First of all, you have to look at Tesla in the long term. I'm not talking about next quarter or next year. When you think about Tesla, what it's going to be up to in 5 or 10 years, it's amazing. In the long term, I think of Tesla's electric vehicle business as a $1 trillion opportunity. I mean, we've got the Cybertruck, the semi-truck, the $25,000 car, plus things that they haven't even started on yet, like trains, boats. Basically, every form of transportation needs to be electrified. And to me, looking into the future, that's $1 trillion. The energy business is 100 times bigger than the auto business. So when I think of Tesla's Power Pack and Mega Pack and Power Walls and solar panels on 100 million roofs worldwide, I think that's another $1 trillion opportunity. Next, Level 5 autonomy is going to change the world. Once vehicles can drive themselves, everything is going to change. Full self-driving is a $1 trillion opportunity. Tesla is turning into an artificial intelligence and robotics company. And once Tesla solves computer vision, robots will be able to function in the world just like we do. We are finally going to be able to get delivery drones, robot maids, android surgeons, and 100 other things I can't even think about. Tesla's artificial intelligence and robotics business is another $1 trillion opportunity. These are $4 trillion opportunities that I believe that Tesla will be a major player in. Your children are going to grow up in a very different world than we did. It's my opinion that Tesla stock at these prices is still a buy, and you should put it in a Roth IRA. However, make up your own mind for yourself. Hey, let me know if you're planning on tuning in to SNL to watch Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live. Me, I'm all prepared. I'm going to have my pile of Dogecoins and a box of popcorn, and I'm going to enjoy the show. I read and respond to every question, so type away anything you want down there and I'll get back to you. Thanks for coming by, and until I see you again, make sure that you be good to each other and stay safe. And remember, when your money is making money, you can spend your money and keep it too.
Don't buy or sell a stock just because a YouTuber like JC says so. He's got opinions. These decisions are important. It's your money. These decisions should be made by you.